Welcome back to Maths Masterclass. In this video, we're learning how to factorize perfect square trinomials with simple examples. Let's jump right in. Example 1. X squared minus 14x plus 49. Step 1. First term is x squared. Square root of x squared is x. Perfect square. Step 2. Last term is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. Perfect square. Step 3. Middle term. Minus 2 times x times 7 equals minus 14x, which matches the middle term. All three conditions have been met. Therefore, the factorized form is x minus 7 all square. Example 2. 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Step 1. First term is 4x squared. Square root of 4x squared is 2x. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x. Step 2. Last term is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Step 3. Middle term. 2 times 2, x times 3 equals 12x, which matches the middle term. All three conditions are met. Therefore, the factorized form is 2x plus 3 all square. Example 3. 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. Step 1. Square root of 9x squared equals 3x. Step 2. Square root of 16 equals 4. Step 3. Middle term. 2 times 3x times 4 equals 24x. Perfect match. The factorized form is 3x plus 4, all square. Try some on your own, and drop your answers in the comments. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to Maths Masterclass. See you in the next one.